नमस्कार, आप देख रहे हैं जनसेवक समाचार और मैं हूं पूजा। अमेरिका के राष्ट्रपति पद के चुनाव के लिए एक बार फिर डोनाल्ड ट्रंप और जो बिडेन ने अपनी जीत का दावा कर समर्थकों को जश्न की तैयारियां करने के लिए कहा है। इस बीच डोनाल्ड ट्रंप ने वोटिंग में धांधली की बात करते हुए सुप्रीम कोर्ट में जाने की बात भी कही। अमेरिका में गिनती के बीच आधी रात को डोनाल्ड ट्रंप ने अमेरिकी नागरिकों को संबोधित करते हुए उनका शुक्रिया अदा किया और कहा कि हम बड़े जश्न की तैयारियां कर रहे हैं, हम सब कुछ जीत रहे हैं। उन्होंने कहा कि चुनाव का नतीजा आश्चर्यजनक होगा, जैसी उम्मीद कर रहे हैं वैसी ही जीत मिलेगी।
We were getting ready for a big celebration. We were winning everything, and all of a sudden it was just called off. The results tonight have been phenomenal. And we are getting ready. I mean, literally, we were just all set to get outside and just celebrate something that was so beautiful, so good. Such a vote, such a success. The citizens of this country have come out in record numbers. This is a record. There's never been anything like it. To support our incredible movement, we won states that we weren't expected to win. Florida, we didn't win it. We won it by a lot.
इधर राष्ट्रपति पद के एक अन्य उम्मीदवार जो बिडेन ने कहा कि हमें अभी चुनाव जीतने की पूरी उम्मीद है। अभी नतीजों में वक्त लगेगा, लेकिन जीत हमारी ही होगी। जब तक हर एक बैलेट की गिनती नहीं हो जाती, हम इंतजार करेंगे।
Your patience is commendable. We knew this was going to go long, but who knew we're going to go into maybe tomorrow morning, maybe even longer. But look, we feel good about where we are. We really do. I'm here to tell you tonight, we believe we're on track to win this election. Yes. We knew because of the unprecedented early vote and the mail-in vote that it's going to take a while. We're going to have to be patient until the hard work of tallying the votes is finished. And it ain't over till every vote is counted. Every ballot is counted. But we're feeling good. We're feeling good about where we are. We believe one of the nets has suggested we've already won Arizona, but we're confident about Arizona. That's a turnaround. We also just called it for Minnesota, and we're still in the game in Georgia, although that's not one we expected. And we're feeling real good about Wisconsin and Michigan. And by the way, it's going to take time to count the votes. We're going to win Pennsylvania. Yes. I've been talking to folks in Philly, Allegheny County, Scranton, and they're really encouraged by the turnout and what they see. Look, you know, we could know the results as early as tomorrow morning, but it may take a little longer. As I've said all along, it's not my place or Donald Trump's place to declare who's won this election. That's the decision of the American people. But I'm optimistic about this outcome. And I want to thank every one of you who came out and voted in this election. And by the way, Chris Coons and the Democrats, congratulations here in Delaware.
इस बीच डोनाल्ड ट्रंप ने जो बिडेन पर वोटों की गिनती में धांधली करने का आरोप लगाया। ट्रंप ने कहा कि रात भर गिनती को लेकर अब हम सुप्रीम कोर्ट में जाएंगे।
This is a fraud on the American public. This is an embarrassment to our country. We were getting ready to win this election. Frankly, we did win this election. We did win it. So our goal now is to ensure the integrity for the good of this nation. This is a very big moment. This is a major fraud in our nation. We want the law to be used in a proper manner. So we'll be going to the U.S. Supreme Court. We want all voting to stop. We don't want them to find any ballots at 4 o'clock in the morning and add them to the list. Okay? It's a very sad moment. To me, this is a very sad moment. And
कुल मिलाकर अमेरिका में राष्ट्रपति चुनाव के परिणाम आने से पहले ही वर्तमान राष्ट्रपति डोनाल्ड ट्रंप ने अपनी जीत के जश्न की तैयारियां करना शुरू कर दी हैं। अमेरिका में राष्ट्रपति पद के चुनाव के बाद वोटों की गिनती जारी है। डोनाल्ड ट्रंप और जो बिडेन के बीच कड़ा मुकाबला है। ऐसे में परिणाम आने तक कुछ भी कहा नहीं जा सकता है। इस बुलेटिन में फिलहाल इतना ही। देश और दुनिया की बाकी खबरों के लिए देखते रहिए जनसेवक समाचार। धन्यवाद।